Apar Industries, the 1000% multi-bagger you missed? Full deep dive explained. Apar Industries, one of India's biggest multi-baggers, a stock that has rallied more than 1000% since 2021. From 779 to over 9,155, this company has quietly become a wealth-creating machine. But how did it create such massive returns? Was it luck or strategy? And most importantly, can this growth continue? In today's video, we break down the full story of Apar Industries, its financial transformation, strategic moves, industry tailwinds, risks, and long-term outlook. Stay tuned till the end. This is one company that shows how execution meets opportunity. 1. The multi-bagger rise. Let's start with the numbers. On December 31st, 2021, Apar's share price was 779.90. Fast forward to 28 November 2025 and the stock touched 9,155.50. That's a 1000% plus return, turning 1 lakh into over 11 lakh. Why did this happen? Because the company's fundamentals and business model went through a massive transformation. Let's break it down. 2. Stellar financial growth. Apar's revenue and profits tell the real story. Revenue nearly tripled. FY 2021, 6410 crore. FY 2025, in 680 crore. This growth wasn't random. It was driven by huge demand both in India and globally. The company doubled down on high-margin products, and that completely changed its profitability. Profits grew 5x. FY 2021, 160 crore. FY 2025, 821 crore. Strong ROE. FY 2025, 19.88%. 3-year average 27% plus. Apar also kept its debt extremely low. Debt to equity is just 0.19. This combination of high revenue growth, rising profitability, and low debt is the perfect recipe for a multi-bagger. 3. Strategy number 1. Premiumization. The biggest turning point came when Apar shifted from normal, commodity-type products to premium and specialized offerings. For example, in the conductor business, the company focused on advanced products. These products offer better performance, have fewer competitors, and command much higher margins. This strategic shift increased profitability across all divisions: conductors, specialty oils, and cables. The second big move was aggressive capacity expansion. Apar invested heavily in building a new cable manufacturing facility aligned with future demand from. This new capacity ensures the company can supply the next wave of high-growth industries for the next decade. Apar also transformed into a global player. Exports now form a large portion of its revenue. This global diversification protects the company from slowdowns in any single market. Apar is perfectly positioned in all these sectors, giving it a structural runway for long-term growth. 7. Risks and headwinds. No company is risk-free. Apar faces volatile aluminum and copper prices, US tariff changes affecting order inflows, rising competition from Chinese manufacturers. These can impact margins in the short term, but none of them change the long-term story significantly. Apar remains a powerful example of how strategy plus execution plus industry tailwinds can create enormous shareholder value. So that's the complete breakdown of Apar Industries' 1000% rally. If you enjoyed this analysis and want deep dives into more potential multibagger stories, and let me know in the comments. Which stock should we analyze next?